May 30th, so Friday, and Dad and Aidan have been busy all day. Very, very, very hot around here due to our fire response in the north. And Aidan has a bunch of the doors on sawhorses. Aidan, tell us what's going on today.
So, just getting these ready for Gary to do the final sanding. These don't need a whole lot before they're ready to get painted.
Okay.
So basically all I was doing was going around the edges anywhere where you can't get with the power sander and sanding them first.
Okay.
Inside and out. Anywhere where, you can't get with the power sander.
So is this sanded down or did you already prime that?
No, that was like that to begin with.
Okay.
There's a couple, like this is bent, that's got to be straightened out before
Okay.
it can be finished.
Did you varnish this or?
No, this is how it was. It could stand to get sanded and stained because it
Okay.
was fading pretty bad.
Okay.
But these bigger doors, they had remnants of the old weather stripping, and that's a real pain in the ass to get off. Like,
Okay.
you can peel some of it.
Yeah.
You kind of just, it's kind of like it's scotch tape and foam rubber, and the tape will stay behind. The rubber will just kind of crumble, and then, like, I was trying to soak it down with gas and scrape it and wire wheel it, and it just kind of smears around, so it's not easy to get off.
So that was your biggest issue with these old doors, was the old weather stripping, just getting it off then?
Yeah, like it's not usable anymore,
Okay.
and it just leaves kind of a mess behind. But I think it's pretty well ready for paint and finishing.
So progress here after Dad and Aidan have been kind of shut down here, hot weather because of the forest fires, but they've got other work on the go here, and so they rolled these machines in yesterday, and they were working on linkages yesterday as well. So they managed to get this done, but they're trying to do some gardening at the same time, and I know they had to reinstall the fuel tanks there yesterday. So when I showed up here yesterday, Dad and Aidan were heavy into doing stuff underneath here, and Dad wasn't exactly in the interview mode. So we'll probably be splicing this video in with yesterday's video just to cut, copy, and paste here. But I know they had issues with the ignition and had to do some rewiring. And that happens sometimes with the older machines. They roll in. They might be starting when they roll in, but as you start doing work, the things just start collapsing in on itself. So it's not so great lighting here, but that red wire had to be restrung yesterday to get the starter going. But looks like they've done some work back here. Like I said, they got the fuel tanks back in, and the customer really just comes in for the paint job. But Aidan indicated to me yesterday when they were farting around with that the starter or the little thing on the wall of the Bombardier there, that everything just crumbled to pieces. So they're going to continue sanding and bondoing and all that other stuff on here, but the majority of that work's already been done. And like I said, and what Aidan has said here, he's already started on all the door accessories and whatnot before they start the paint job. Hopefully we can get this back outside and do the majority of that paint work outside. It is just so hot here right now with the forest fires that it makes it really unbearable to be working in the late afternoon. And I imagine that's going to be the case here with the Muskeg tractor as well. So with the Muskeg tractor, you know, it's dusty work as well. And when they start painting, it's the air quality in here is just horrible. And you have to have that air exchanger on. And I change out those filters all the time. And that filter is blue already, and we've barely done any work in here in the last week. So by the time you guys see this video, we'll be back and forth from Edmonton. We're going to take a couple days off to go see my niece's graduation. Aidan's taking care of the dogs. Where are you gone? Aidan, are you enjoying your time at the shop?
Yeah, well, there's not much time at the shop. Mostly it's just been gardening.
Yeah, well, good. Dad likes his gardening. I'm glad you like your gardening too.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's it, guys. That's our update here. Still working on the Muskeg tractor, and we got a little further ahead on the 1959. I think it is what it is. I can't remember. I think it's the 1959 R18, and the other for sale video you guys would have seen of the similar style model of this machine did sell. It sold rather quickly, so that our neighbor there and our friend, I'm glad he was able to sell. If anybody wants to sell their video, you just take some video. You can send it all to me on Dropbox, or just contact me on the Facebook page, or you can look at the YouTube video and you can get my contact details there, and you can just send me the video footage and I can splice it all together for you. No charge, literally. Like we'll just do the video, we'll put all your details in there. And so if you want to sell your Bombardier and you want to get better exposure, we have all these people on Dad's YouTube channel, and I'll gladly sell you, or help you sell your video. Just have all the details, do a thorough walk around, and we'll go from there. Other than that, it is 30th of May, and it's hot as hell out here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. There's the smoke in the air this morning on Saturday. Hazy even looking at Bird Island here.